Have you been trying to create a crypto wallet to hold your crypto assets and sign transactions on the blockchain? In this video, I'll show you how to get started with a Metamask wallet. You will learn how to create a new wallet and how to import an existing wallet. You will also learn how to switch between networks in the wallet, how to fund your wallet, and also how to perform swaps in your wallet. So let's get started. Hey everyone, you're welcome to the channel. This is Inside the App, and here we'll try to help you become an expert in blockchain technology overall. So if you're into subjects of that matter, just hit the like button and subscribe. Let's get started. Now on my screen, I have the Metamask interface. You just go to metamask.io, which is the homepage of Metamask, and you will land in this same beautiful looking interface that I'm in. And then when you want to download, first of all, this application you see called Metamask that has this fox face logo. It's a wallet that gives you access to decentralized applications. So with this wallet, you'll be able to interact through Web3 and then interact with smart contracts directly through your wallet. Your wallet will be able to sign transactions, and you'll also be able to collect deposits, make withdrawals, and carry out every other kind of transactions on different existing protocols, be it NFT marketplaces, decentralized exchanges, decentralized autonomous organizations for voting, multi-sigs, be it lending protocols, be it just be it anything at all that you can think of, any financial model that exists in a decentralized world. So first things first, we need to download the Metamask Chrome extension. So I hit on download. As you can see, I'm using a Firefox browser, so that's what's selected, and then I click on install Metamask for Firefox. So it installs, and then I click on continue to install, add as extension, and as you can see, I have this extension. So I open the Metamask application, and when I do, as you can see, I can do two actions currently, which include creating a new wallet and importing an existing wallet. So for now, I just like to show you how to create a new wallet. So if you're downloading the application for the first time, click on create a new wallet, then read the policy, and then agree with the terms, and then add a password for my account. In order to get the app to open, I'm going to have to log in with this password. So I create a new wallet. I'm going to see this tutorial. It's kind of like a tutorial to show you how to protect your seed phrases and all of that. And then for now, it's not recommended, but it's something that's important for you to do to secure your seed phrase, to make sure that you never ever lose your wallet. So do this, secure my wallet, and then it's going to reveal the seed phrase. So the seed phrase is just a bunch of words, but they all need to be in this arrangement form to give you access to your Metamask wallet should you want to import it somewhere else or use a new device. So yeah, we just need to take note of these keys. What I'm going to do, I'm going to have to write them out so that I can verify them in the next slide. Please guys, do not take a screenshot of this or try to store this digitally, because it can cause some kind of risk, and if it ever gets into the hands of the wrong person, they can access your wallet directly, so beware of that. So I'm going to click on next once I've taken note of the words in the arrangement format. Then I think here was afraid, this is item, and here we have wrist. So I can confirm that the wallet was properly authenticated and my wallet is created. So as you can see, wallet creation successful. Got it. Move forward just to show you a little bit of how the application is and what to take note of in it. I would like to access it via the extension we just got. So as you can see, this is the extension. This is when I open my wallet. I can see the Fox logo. I can see the network I'm currently on. So this is Ethereum mainnet, and you can look, there can also be a list of networks. I'm going to show you how to add networks. So just when you want to add a network, you click on add network. It's going to take you to a page where you can see some default networks that you can add, and then if none of the networks are what you intend to add, you can also as well add a network manually. But let's just assume we wanted to add a BNB smart chain, so we just click on add. then it's going to prompt us to approve this, and then we can add it. It's added. We can also switch to it. So currently you see the ETH that we had here has changed to BNB. Why? Because the native cryptocurrency on Binance Smart Chain network is BNB. So that's how to change the network in MetaMask. I'm just going to switch back to Ethereum mainnet real quick. If you also look here, you see your ETH balance. You see the balance in USD. So currently we don't have any ETH, so that's why it's showing 0. And over here you can also see your NFT assets. Actually here you can see even your ERC20 assets. So if you have crypto tokens, you'll be able to see them here in this wallet, and you'll be able to also access information and manage the information and data from this dashboard. This place you see where to manage your NFTs, you see your NFT balances, and you'll be able to send and receive. And then over here you see your history, your transaction history for this particular wallet. So also you can buy. So if you want to buy Ether, for instance, using fiat payment, you can click on buy, and then it's going to show you the options that are available. So currently I'm in Nigeria, so I'm seeing the current options available in Nigeria, which include Nigeria instant transfer and debit or credit. So assuming I wanted to make a transfer, an instant transfer, I just click on it, and then you see I have to put the value of money I want to pay in Naira. So if I wanted to buy 50,000 Naira worth of Ethereum, then I'm going to have to put 50,000 Naira, and then I'm going to get the quote. So 50,000 Naira is going to fetch me this amount of ETH, and then it's broken down in this way. But 6,622 Naira would actually be used to purchase the ETH, while this lot 3,377 Naira 25 kobo would be used to pay for the whole transaction process. If I want to continue, I just click on buy with MoonPay, and then it gives me an address or an account number to pay the money. And then in a short while, I receive Ether in my MetaMask wallet. If you want to send the transaction, if I had Ether, for instance, I can copy an address, but let me just copy the address that I have. Obviously, you can't send it or to yourself, but just for the purpose of this illustration, I just copy a random address. If I wanted to send Ether, I'm going to have to put the amount of Ether. Obviously, I have insufficient funds because there's no Ether in my wallet. And mind you, when making a transaction, you're also going to have some reserve to pay for gas. So if I wanted to send ETH, it means that I must have more than 6 ETH in my wallet, maybe 6 point whatever Ether, that would be able to pay for gas. So next is with regards to swap. So this MetaMask wallet also enables you to swap through smart contracts. So if you want to swap between assets that you have, for instance, you have Ether, you want to swap 9 Ether, which you may have, and then you want to get some USDC, so you can just directly do this. And then review swap is going to fetch quotes, and then you're going to see how much you're going to get, how much you're going to spend in gas estimation, and then just shows you some information about the swap that you want to make. And then also bridge, so you can as well bridge tokens. So let's say you have a particular asset like USDT on Ethereum network, and you want to use it in Binance Smart Chain. So from network is Ethereum, and then you see the to this network is going to have to be Binance Smart Chain, because I'm trying to move my USDT coin to Binance Smart Chain from Ethereum. So I just need to put in the amount of USDT that I want to send, and then it's going to calculate and show me the equivalent amount that I'm going to receive after deducting the total transaction cost. So this is what I'm going to receive if I proceed with this transaction. I'm going to have 594 USDT in my BNB network wallet. Of course, it's going to be the same address, wallet address that MetaMask provides. It cuts across all the EVM compatible blockchain networks. So you can add any EVM blockchain network over here, and then you have multiple networks in your MetaMask wallet, just like I showed you before. Another thing I'd like to show you is how to import wallets. So before I showed you how to create a wallet, so if you want to import a wallet, meanwhile, you can always create a new wallet. So you get a new address and a new private key assigned to the address within your MetaMask dashboard. And then you can also import an existing wallet. If you have an existing private key that you want to use with MetaMask, you can just import a private key. You can also connect a hardware wallet. If you have a Ledger wallet or a Trezor wallet or any other hardware wallets, you can as well connect them and use them through MetaMask. They have support, and then you can you can do some advanced or personal settings from this feature. So I'm just going to show you how to make an import, but first let me create a new private key. I'm going to create a new private key that I can use to show you this example. So I'm just going to go to this website. It's called Vanity Eat. VanityEat.tk. So I have it here already. So this website helps you randomly or quickly generate a private key and an associated public key. So I'm just going to show you how to do it. If you come down to this place and click on generate, it's going to generate a private key and a public address. So this is the public address, and if I click to reveal, it's going to show me the private address. So I just want to import this private address into Metamask to show you how to import an existing wallet into Metamask wallet. So I click on import account, and then I already copied the private key, so I paste the private key over here, and then I click on import. When I click on import, as you can see, I have account 2, so it's a second account. And as you can see, if you investigate the account, you would see it starts with 0x579 and ends with F869. So if you come to the address that is shown here, you see it's the same thing. So yeah, that's how to import a wallet into MetaMask. So thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, please do well to hit the like button, subscribe so you can get more content as we keep publishing. And then yeah, do follow the process, create a wallet for yourself if you don't have one. And if you ever get confused, feel free to rewind and pause the video until you get it right. Be very sure to secure your private documents and your private keys and seed phrases, because it's very important. It's what gives you ownership to the particular wallet you're creating. If a third party gets access to it, they can as well access the wallet as yourself. So you want to protect that the best possible way. So thank you for watching the video. It's been a good time. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye bye.